Hi there, it's Shashwatam. I'm going to tell you how you can register on our TechtrixX site. We have made a really simple form where you can apply for events and you will be given a unique registration ID which you can use as password on some events. But to do that, you first need to register on our site. Let's see how you can do this. Scroll down and go to register. Now type in your username, that is a desired username, your email, and a captcha. This is just to prevent bots, don't worry about that. Now hit register. Registration complete, please check your email. I have my email open here. Okay, it says now this is my password generated by the system, and obviously my username which I have entered before. Now log in with that. Now what we see here, a dashboard, event info and profile. This event info is a thing which you want to explore, but before, don't forget to change your password to something which you can easily remember. Now obviously you can set first name, last name here, and as well as nickname, but we'll see that later. Okay, so now let's change the password. Done. Now you see we have an alert over here. You have not updated your contact information. Please do so by going to the contact information menu. We need your contact information before you register for any of the events. So first you go to the contact information from here. Now you can enter your first name, last name, phone number. Just make sure you give us a valid phone number, university or college name, session year, department, roll number, and other information like address, state, city, and country. Only items marked with star are required. Everything else are optional, you can just leave them empty. So we hit the update button here and it's done. You see that the alert has gone now. Now we can easily apply for any of the events. But before we do, let's see what we have here in the add team members. Basically we have many events where more than one member will be playing, so we have made this easy for you to add members and select those members for individual events. Now to do that, you first go to the add team members from here. Now enter your member name. For example, I'm entering my friend's name. Now obviously a valid email over here and his phone number. This is not required, you can just leave this empty. Now hit add member, and there you have, your team member has been added. Now we also have an error over here. Your phone number is either too short or too long or invalid. Is a valid one, please. All this is not mandatory. Please do give us a invalid information. This is just a validation we have on our server side. You don't need to worry about this. Now you can also edit the team members from here. Edit team members. You have a edit button. Remember, you cannot delete a team member as of now. Now to apply for an event, just hit the apply for events button. Here we have all the events listed. All of them are upcoming events. We first see the code excellence from Wednesday 29th of September 2010 to Friday 1st of October 2010. We have 2 members total, which is optional. Total rounds will be 3. Price is to be announced later. You can just contact the coordinator for the pricing information. Now before you apply for the event, you may want to check the details. To do that, just hit the view details button over here, and a nice window will pop up with all the information. You can print the details if you want, or just close the window. Now let's apply for the event. As you can see here, we have event description. This is just a demo purpose, so we haven't added the description yet. Venue, team members, total rounds, reference, etc. You can hit the read more button to read the actual post on our site about the event. You can also select team members. I'm now selecting my friend. And you can also leave a note to the administrator. Say you need to ask about the pricing information, so you type in, please PM me the pricing info, and now hit apply for the event. And it's done now. Now what you need to do is check the application status. Here you have several options. You can close the application. Closing means that it won't be enrolled at all and the administrator may delete it as well. View application detail, view event details. The event detail is same as of before. Now if you hit the view application detail, then you have your application ID, payment status, application status which can be open or closed, registration ID. You will be given a unique registration ID when the payment is complete, and also applicant information, your unique user ID, your username, email, institution name, etc., and also the event details as well. You can print the details if you want, or you can just simply save this pop-up page, and that's it. And one more thing is, if you apply for an event which requires more than the members you have in your team, then it will prompt you to add team members first. Like I have applied for this event which requires 3 members, and now I have added only one, so it gives me an error. This event requires 2 additional members which you don't have in your team. Please add some more team members and come back here. You can obviously hit that team member button to add in more team members, then you can apply for this event as well. If you have any problem, feel free to ask me. Have a nice time.